Many of us tend to think of wealth in terms of having a huge amount of money or owning luxurious possessions. However, the truth is that wealth is not just about having a lot of money or assets, but it also includes financial stability, security, and good financial habits. In this video, I will show you 12 signs that prove that you are wealthier than you think, and how these indicators can help you evaluate your financial health. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of your financial status and how you can continue to improve it. You have a consistent source of income. Imagine that you're a young adult who just graduated from college and landed your first job. You're excited to start your new career and make your mark on the world. However, after a few months on the job, you start to realize that the salary you're earning isn't quite as high as you thought it would be. You start to worry about paying your bills and making ends meet. But then, you remember that you have a consistent source of income. Even if your salary isn't as high as you'd like, you know that you'll receive a paycheck every 2 weeks like clockwork. This gives you a sense of security and stability, knowing that you can count on this income to cover your expenses and save for your future. Having a consistent source of income is a sign that you are wealthier than you think because it means you have a foundation to build upon. Even if your income isn't as high as you'd like, you have the ability to budget, save, and invest wisely to grow your wealth over time. You maintain an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months. Imagine that you're a healthy individual and you've been taking good care of yourself. However, one day, you get some unexpected news. You've been diagnosed with a serious illness that requires immediate treatment. You realize that you'll need to take time off work and undergo medical procedures that will come with a significant cost. But then, you remember that you maintain an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. You're able to use this fund to cover your medical expenses and pay for your basic living expenses while you're unable to work. Without this emergency fund, you would have been forced to delay treatment, put off paying bills, or go into debt to cover the cost of your medical care. Maintaining an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses is a sign that you are wealthier than you think because it means you have the ability to handle unexpected expenses without going into debt or compromising your long-term financial goals. By having this emergency fund, you can focus on your health and well-being without worrying about your finances. You always follow a budget. Following a budget is a key sign that you are wealthier than you think. This is because creating and adhering to a budget allows you to take control of your finances and prioritize your spending to achieve your financial goals. A budget helps you to identify where your money is going, and make conscious choices about how you allocate it. This can be especially helpful if you're looking to reduce your spending and increase your savings. By setting spending limits for each category of your budget, you'll be able to track your expenses and ensure that you're living within your means. Following a budget can also help you to avoid debt. If you consistently spend more than you earn, you'll likely end up relying on credit cards or loans to cover your expenses. This can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to break free from. However, by adhering to a budget, you can ensure that you're not overspending and avoid accumulating debt. Creating and following a budget can also reduce stress and provide a sense of financial security. When you know where your money is going and have a plan in place for your expenses and savings, you'll be less likely to feel overwhelmed by financial uncertainty. You'll have a clearer picture of your financial situation and be better equipped to handle unexpected expenses. Following a budget is an essential step toward achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building up your retirement savings, a budget can help you get there. By setting specific goals and tracking your progress, you'll be able to stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives. You set financial goals and achieve it. Setting financial goals and achieving them is a significant sign that you are wealthier than you think. This is because having clear financial goals and working towards them can help you build wealth and achieve financial security. When you set financial goals, you're creating a roadmap for your financial future. This allows you to prioritize your spending, focus on your objectives, and avoid overspending on things that don't align with your goals. By setting specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals, you'll be able to track your progress and stay motivated. Achieving financial goals also requires discipline and self-control. It's important to make conscious choices about your spending and avoid impulse purchases that can derail your progress. By making small, consistent steps towards your financial goals, you'll be able to build momentum and create lasting habits that support your long-term financial success. Moreover, achieving financial goals can help you feel more confident and secure about your financial future. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building your retirement savings, achieving your financial goals can bring a sense of accomplishment and peace of mind. This can help reduce financial stress and allow you to focus on other areas of your life that bring you joy and fulfillment. In conclusion, setting financial goals and achieving them is a key sign that you're wealthier than you think. By creating a roadmap for your financial future, exercising self-control, and building momentum towards your objectives, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial security and building long-term wealth. You investing regularly. Investing regularly is another significant sign that you are wealthier than you think. This is because investing allows you to grow your money over time and build long-term wealth. By making regular contributions to your investment accounts, you'll be able to take advantage of compound interest and other growth opportunities. Investing can take many forms, from stocks and bonds to real estate and other alternative assets. It's important to choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By diversifying your investments and spreading your risk across different asset classes, you'll be able to minimize your exposure to market volatility and other risks. Moreover, investing regularly can help you build a solid financial foundation for the future. By making consistent contributions to your retirement accounts, for example, you'll be able to take advantage of tax-deferred growth and build a portfolio that can support you in your golden years. By investing in your own education and skill development, you can also increase your earning potential and create more opportunities for yourself in the future. However, it's important to approach investing with a long-term mindset and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By working with a financial professional and building a well-diversified portfolio, you'll be able to make informed investment decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, investing regularly is a key sign that you're wealthier than you think. By taking advantage of compound interest and growth opportunities, diversifying your investments, and building a solid financial foundation, you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term financial security and building lasting wealth. You try to maintain good credit score. Your credit score is a measure of your creditworthiness and is used by lenders, landlords, and other financial institutions to determine your eligibility for credit and loans. A good credit score can help you access better interest rates, lower fees, and other financial benefits that can save you money over time. To maintain a good credit score, it's important to pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. By making timely payments and keeping your debt levels in check, you'll be able to demonstrate to lenders that you're a responsible borrower who can be trusted with credit. Having a good credit score can also open up new opportunities for you in the future. For example, a good credit score can make it easier to rent an apartment, qualify for a car loan, or even start your own business. By maintaining a good credit score and managing your finances responsibly, you'll be able to build a strong financial foundation that can support you for years to come. On the other hand, a poor credit score can make it difficult to access credit and loans, and can even limit your employment opportunities or ability to rent a home. By ignoring your credit score and failing to manage your finances responsibly, you may be limiting your future opportunities and putting yourself at risk for financial hardship. Let's say you're looking to buy a home and need a mortgage to finance the purchase. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over the life of your mortgage. For example, let's say you want to buy a $300,000 home and take out a 30-year mortgage with a fixed interest rate of 4%. If you have a credit score of 750 or above, you may qualify for the best interest rate and pay a total of $215,600 in interest over the life of the loan. However, if your credit score is only 650, you may not qualify for the best interest rate and could end up paying a total of $268,000 in interest over the life of the loan. That's a difference of over $52,000 just because of your credit score. By maintaining a good credit score and managing your finances responsibly, you can save thousands of dollars in interest payments and other fees over the course of your life. This can allow you to build more wealth over time and achieve your financial goals more quickly and easily. You have exact retirement plan. Having an exact retirement plan is the seventh sign that shows you are wealthier than you think. Many people underestimate the amount of money they will need in retirement, and as a result, they may not be adequately prepared to enjoy their golden years. To be truly wealthy, it is important to have a clear understanding of your financial needs in retirement and to have a plan in place to achieve those goals. This includes estimating your future expenses, such as housing, healthcare, and travel, and creating a savings plan that takes into account factors such as inflation and market volatility. One effective strategy is to start saving for retirement as early as possible and to contribute regularly to a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as a 401k or an IRA. This can help you take advantage of compound interest and maximize your savings over time. For example, if you are a 30-year-old and you want to retire at 65 with a retirement income of $60,000 per year, you'll need to have approximately $1.5 million in savings. By creating an exact retirement plan that takes into account your current income, savings rate, and investment returns, you can determine how much you need to save each month in order to reach your goal. This allows you to make informed decisions about your spending and investment choices, and gives you the peace of mind of knowing that you are on track to achieve your retirement goals. Healthy relationship with money. People who have a healthy relationship with money understand the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing for their future. They are not afraid to make informed financial decisions, and they seek advice from professionals when needed. They do not overspend on unnecessary things or live beyond their means, and they prioritize their financial goals over impulsive purchases. Let's say there's an imaginary person named John. He used to have a poor relationship with money, always spending more than he earned and carrying a high amount of debt. However, he decided to take control of his finances and improve his relationship with money. He started by creating a budget and tracking his spending, which helped him to identify areas where he could cut back. He also started saving a portion of his income each month, and set up automatic transfers to make sure he stayed on track. As he began to see progress in his finances, John's confidence grew and he started to set more ambitious financial goals. He wanted to save up for a down payment on a house, so he started investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account and a low-cost index fund. He also worked to improve his credit score, paying down his debt and making sure to always pay his bills on time. Over time, John's healthy relationship with money has allowed him to achieve his financial goals and live a more secure and fulfilling life. He no longer worries about money constantly and is able to enjoy the fruits of his labor without feeling guilty or anxious. Manageable level of debt, or you have little to no debt. Having little to no debt can provide you with a sense of financial freedom and flexibility. You are not weighed down by high interest rates, monthly payments, and the stress that comes with it. Instead, you have more control over your money and can allocate it towards your long-term financial goals. Of course, there are certain types of debt that are necessary and even beneficial, such as a mortgage for a home or a loan for a higher education degree. However, it's important to manage these debts responsibly and ensure that they don't become overwhelming. By having a manageable level of debt or no debt at all, you are able to focus on building wealth and achieving your financial goals without the added stress and burden of debt payments. Having proper insurance coverage is essential for securing your financial future. One of the signs that you are wealthier than you think is having adequate insurance coverage. This means that you have taken the time to assess your insurance needs and have taken steps to ensure that you are covered in case of unexpected events. For example, let's say you are involved in a car accident and your car is severely damaged. If you have the right auto insurance coverage, you can have peace of mind knowing that you will not be left with a large bill to pay for the repairs. Similarly, if you or a loved one were to fall seriously ill and require extensive medical treatment, having good health insurance can help ease the financial burden. By having insurance coverage, you are protecting your assets and safeguarding your finances from unexpected events. This can help you avoid going into debt and give you the financial freedom to pursue your goals. To ensure that you have the right insurance coverage, it is important to review your policies regularly and make adjustments as needed. Consult with a qualified insurance professional who can help you assess your insurance needs and make informed decisions about coverage options that are best for you and your family. One important sign that indicates you are wealthier than you think is that you continue to educate yourself about personal finance. Being knowledgeable about personal finance allows you to make better decisions with your money and helps you achieve your financial goals. The world of finance is constantly changing, and new strategies and technologies emerge all the time. Keeping up with the latest trends and learning about the fundamentals of personal finance can help you stay ahead of the game and make informed decisions about your money. Investing in your own education is an investment in your financial future. By staying informed and educated about personal finance, you will be better equipped to handle financial challenges and make wise investment decisions. In short, those who prioritize educating themselves about personal finance are more likely to achieve financial success and build wealth over time. You avoid living paycheck to paycheck. One sign that you are on the right track to financial stability is being able to consistently save money and avoid living paycheck to paycheck. This means that you have a good understanding of your expenses and are able to budget accordingly, allowing you to set aside money for future expenses or emergencies. It also means that you are not relying solely on your paycheck to cover your bills and other financial obligations. Let's say you are able to consistently set aside a portion of your income each month into a savings account. This not only helps you build up an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, but also allows you to work towards other financial goals such as buying a house, taking a dream vacation, or retiring comfortably. By living within your means and prioritizing saving, you are setting yourself up for a more secure financial future. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes, and with the right mindset and habits, you can achieve financial freedom and security. So start implementing these signs in your life, and you might be surprised to find out that you are wealthier than you think. Now that you have a better understanding of your finances, it's time to take action and start saving. Check out our next video, How to Save 85% of Your Income with These 12 Minimalist Habits, for practical tips on how to reduce your expenses and increase your savings.